Hi guys, welcome to Hardest Info channel. Today I have iPad 3 Pro and I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have connected with internet but you can't open your app store. You can find it in your iPad and you can't download anything. To fix it, open Settings application and go to the screen time, and there we must tap on our contact privacy where we have our iTunes and App Store, and there, as you can see, our installing apps is don't allow. We must change it from don't allow to allow, and that's all. We can go back and try search App Store again, which is visible right now, and we can go to that and install something from our App Store. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.